got some new grills in here that we're going to be throwing in here. When I first bought the car, it had a plastic on here that was starting to peel. So I peeled that off, but see here, they're just not very nice, and I'm not really big on the chrome look. One of these, you can see right there, is a big scratch in it. So I'm gonna be removing them and I'm gonna try some gloss black ones, see how I like that. I just got a cheap set off at eBay, so hopefully they'll fit. And then I can kind of see if I like the gloss black. If I do and I'm not happy with the fit, I'll get some better ones. But for now, we're gonna see if we can throw in the gloss black and see what it looks like. So obviously the first thing we're gonna wanna do is come in here and pop the hood. And obviously there's a little tab. I'm sure if you own an M5, you know how to open the hood. And yeah, it's very dusty because I live on a dusty gravel road. Next thing we got going, we look right down in here. You can see in there hopefully. There's little locking tabs. Kind of, let's see here. Some on the top and some on the bottom. So we're gonna pop them out and see if we can get the new ones in. Okay, so it's been a little while since I popped these out. I think actually these have a couple of the tabs broken. Yep, this one up here is broken. So I'm just not going to worry about that for now. I'm going to come in here with a pick and just let me see if I can pop these up. There we go. There we go. Number ones. I think I'm going to go ahead and pop the, and actually if you look here we can see my RPI intake scoops. It's another mod that I have on the car, along with their block off plates. So I'm going to set you guys back down and excuse the lawnmower noise. Came packaged pretty good. Hopefully they'll look good here. Alright, even managed to get the right one. So here we got a comparison. Upside down. You can see here gloss black versus the OEM chrome, but definitely seen better days. So here you can see the tabs. We got the locking tabs the whole way around. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Majority of mine. Actually, I guess there's only one tab broken and a couple with the senders popped out. So to reinstall, you make sure everything's lining up. Really want to be careful down here. I normally try to line the bottom up since there's not much to scratch up here, but this can be scratched and will be visible if you do scratch it. Work it in there, just like that. Pops right in. Alright, let's take a look at that. Gloss black versus the chrome. Maybe we should pop the hood shut and take a look at that. What do you guys think? I kind of think I like the gloss black. Now obviously the rest of the car is just filthy and dusty, and so the clean grill kind of looks weird considering the lower grills down there are all dusty and off colored. So we'll pop these in and I'll probably wash the car and see if that helps with the look. So we're gonna pop the next one out and put the other one in. impressed with the quality of these. And to see how the finish on them holds up after a couple rounds of couple road trips and things. See if they just keep their finish or if they're gonna chip or fade. But out of the box, they definitely look pretty good. There's the new look, definitely digging that. No doubt, that looks pretty good. Now I think one thing that would make it a little bit easier, I believe if you pop this top panel off, you could probably reach in there. And what I should have done is when I had this one out, is reach in there, loosen the other tabs and pop them both out. But I wanted to show the contrast, so I didn't do that this time. But either way, very nice little mod you can do. And only takes about 10-15 minutes, and you give your car a little bit of a different look. Obviously there's all kinds of different styles you can go with depending on the color of your car and what you prefer. But for now, I definitely like the look of this. You get the car washed now and see what it looks like with the whole car clean. Pretty much been parked it in here when I got back from drag racing and haven't driven it since or had time to mess with it since then. So it's back when I came back from the drag strip, that's how it's been sitting, so needs some attention. It's been dry around here the last week. Actually just finally rained last night, so that settled the dust. Before that it was almost pointless washing it. Even just letting it sit here with the gravel road being right out there, the dust will just come right in and cover it up again, just sitting here. You can see it's been cloudy and rainy, so it'd be perfect time to go wash it. So, hopefully you'll find this video informative, helps you do your grill mod to your car at some point. If you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.